Welcome back, in course, to another video, and in today's video is day 2 of this advent calendar and day 2 of Vlogmas. So if you want to see what I get in this advent calendar and hear all the information, stay tuned. So before I get started with this advent calendar, this is going to be a quick video. I set time of the month again. If you're a girl, you know. And I'm having very bad cramps, so I need to quickly do this video. I wasn't able to do Makeup Monday. I really wanted to do it, but I just couldn't do it. My cramps are really bad right now. So I'm quickly going to go open this Advent, and hopefully it helps me forget about it a little bit. But this is Advent that I opened up in day 1. It's the Harry Potter Advent. It's the 15 Days of Socks. And it's a really cute Advent. I like the art on it. Here's what the art looks like if you want to know. So we're doing day 2, which is the mirror that he saw his parents in. I think that was the first one or the second one. So we're gonna be doing that one, but here's all the other ones that we opened. I mean, we haven't opened yet, but there, look at all the artwork on them. And then this is what we got in day 1. If you did not see that, make sure you do go check out that video. Here's a sneak peek of it. I'm gonna put it back in the door because I might do a recap at the end of the 15 days for y'all, if y'all want to see what was in the full Advent. So let me go open this, and then I'll come back and tell you what it was in day 2. So here's day 2 open. It was a little hard to open, but I got it. So it looks like we got some other crew socks, or whatever you want to call these. They look like the Hogwarts houses. So there's Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Gryffindor. And they're like blue navy ones with little stars on it, and then it does say Hogwarts on it. These are so cool. I like how it has all the colors of the houses. I am a Hufflepuff. Let me know what house you're in. I'll let you know. And on the back sides of them, they're just like little stars. So these are so cute. That is what we got in day 2. Sorry again, this video is going to be short, but hopefully y'all did still enjoy it. So yeah. So if you got this far in the video and you're enjoying it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below what house you're in Hogwarts. If you do love Harry Potter, let me know what house you're in. I'll let you know, and you'll be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see what's shouted in the previous video uploaded on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section in the description and show them some love. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers. If they're a subscriber, go find their comment and tell them you're thankful for their support for the Unicorn family. If they're a YouTuber, go check out their channel and show them some love. They'll really appreciate it and tell them I sent you. And this is just a way for me to say thank you for anybody that watches my videos in full. It does help out a lot. And I think that is it. So I forgot to mention, I'm going to be linking 2 playlists down below. One is the Advent Calendar playlist, just in case you want to see every days of this Advent. And the second one is going to be Vlogmas. So you can go catch up on this series. And some days I might have 2 videos up, so hopefully I don't mind that. But most of the time, if it's not like makeup related, I might put this Advent Calendar into the video if I'm doing something like decorate with me or an unboxing or something that wasn't that long, or face mask Friday, then I will definitely do that. But if it's a makeup one, sometimes it takes too long, so I might do on the makeup days just do this by itself in another video. So there's going to be more days in Vlogmas for y'all, so if y'all do enjoy the content. And there's only 1 video in each playlist right now, so make sure you do go watch day 1 and show it some love. I really do appreciate it. And I think I got everything I want to mention. I forgot to mention that I did drop some Christmas merch down below in my merch shop, so please go check it out. It is unicorn/Polar Express themed. So let me know if you did enjoy that design. And if you do go and buy anything, let me know. There is a sale still going on. And the next sale will be in December sometime. So make sure you do catch them and shop on there. And let me know if you do get anything from my merch shop. I'd love to go check it out. If you do post anywhere, just let me know. If you don't want to post anywhere, maybe just send me a picture. I will to go tell you thank you in the community tab or in the story on Instagram. But you don't have to buy anything. It's just up to you. Whatever you want to do. You could do Christmas gift ideas. There's a lot of them. And the December design has some Christmassy items like stockings and ornaments. So you really should go check it out before December's over with and before Christmas comes, so you can have something to wear. I think it turned out really cute, but let me know what you think if you go check it out. And yeah. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of today's video. Again, sorry if it's short, but hopefully y'all do understand. And let me know if you enjoyed seeing day 2 of the advent calendar, and let me know what you think of these socks. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.